Sean, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm juggling.
Well, can you not? I'm trying to film a video. Can you, like, leave? Do that somewhere else?
Pleases or thank yous. Ever. You're so rude all the time.
Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Sean. It's 8:30 and it's 71 degrees, and today we're going to learn a card trick that finds the 4 aces in the best way possible. Let's get into it. Sometimes when I'm performing magic, people say, man, I would never want to play cards with you. Honestly, I have no idea how to play poker. But to them I say, I would never want to play cards with you, and here's why. Give me a number between 10 and 20. Let's say they say 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now to even further randomize the selection, I'm going to add together the two numbers that make up 14, the 1 and the 4. 1 and 4 make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Let's try this again. Someone else, give me a number between 10 and 20. Let's say they say 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now the two numbers in 16 make up 7, because the 1 and the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try this one more time. Any number between 10 and 20. Let's say they say 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The two ones that make up the 11, when added together, give me 2. 1, 2. Perfect. So there's 3 cards. You know what? Let's get one more card. This time I'm going to let the deck decide which card it gives me. So let's just see. A 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's an ace. You know, like I said, I would not want to play poker with you. And here's why. Because even though you give me 3 random numbers, they all ended up being the 4 aces. This trick's actually called Obliging Aces and can be found on page 295 of The Royal Road to Card Magic. Here's how to do it. I'm going to remove any 9 spot as well as the 4 aces. The 4 aces go on top of the deck in any order, and the 9 goes on top of those. Now what you need to do is add 8 cards on top of those, and that I do that by just cutting off, going for an overhand shuffle. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, in jog there, and then shuffle off. Cut out the in jog, throw on top, and then do 4 more cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in jog and shuffle off. So 8 cards down is that 9, and then our setup of the aces here. Now what you do is you can do any sort of false cuts. I usually just tend to stick with the double undercut, and that can be done by swing cut. Hold a break here, come over and get the thumb break, take off half of that bottom packet, put it on top, and then put this on top, or you can put this packet on the table and drop like that. And just do that a few times throughout the trick to give it kind of a random feel. Now this trick is what you call self-working, but I mean no magic trick is self-working. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to ask a spectator, and the best part about this is you can ask multiple spectators for numbers, but you're going to ask the spectator, give me a number between 10 and 20. And they could really give you any number. So let's say they give you 17. So you're going to deal 17 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you deal 17 cards into a pile, put the deck to the side. Now you're going to say, to either even further randomize your selection, we're going to add the 2 numbers that make up 17. So that's a 1 and a 7. Make sure they get, there's a 1 and a 7. If they learned math, they would know numbers. Okay, you're gonna next what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the 1 and the 7 together. So that makes 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then take the 8th card because this is your first ace. Kind of cool. That's why it's self-working. So this is your first ace. Don't flip it over. Just take the 8th card and set it to the side. Drop the rest of your cards that you've been dealing from on top of the cards on the table, and then drop these onto the deck. And now you're perfectly set up for the next part. And here you can do any sort of false cuts or false shuffles as long as you keep the top stock available. So the next step is just do the same exact thing. So let's say, so they name any number between 10 and 20, they say 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put the deck aside, square these dealt cards up, pick them up and say you're going to further randomize their selection by adding the two numbers together. So 1 and 4 would give you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the 5th card because this too is an ace. Don't show them this though. Just put it to the side. Don't flip it over. Okay? Put these cards on top of the dealt cards, and you're going to do this one more time. So put those back onto the deck as well. I generally do false cut or false shuffle. Any number between 10 and 20. Let's say they name 19 because they're feeling ambitious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Boom. Deck goes aside, square these up, pick them up, and further randomize their selection by adding the 1 and the 9 together, which gives us 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take the 10th card, not the card after. I made that mistake once. It's always the number. So like this is the 10th card because that's also an ace. Boom. 3 cards, 2 packets, 1 magician. 2014, never forget. So once you got the 3 over here, you're not going to do it again. What you're going to do is use the deck to seemingly give you a random card, and you're going to deal that number. And if you've been following everything correctly, that 9 that we put at the beginning should be the very next card on top. Should be, you know, the top card. So now all that's left to do is do that double undercut, which I get once again is swing cut off here. Grab a little pinky break. So we got that break here. Come over with your right hand, grab like this. So now it's a thumb break, right? Take off half of that bottom packet, and you could even go like a quarter, and then an eighth, and then, you know, throw everything on top, just so that you have that 9 coming back to the top. Or, you know, you could even do a shuffle. Whatever suits your fancy, whatever is your fancy suit. So now you're going to say, okay, I'm going to let the deck decide how many cards I deal. And this is where you take off the top card after you've been doing the shuffles and whatever. Make sure they know it's random. So 9. Next you're going to deal 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take the 9th card. It is the 9th card. Don't flip it over though. Just set it to the side face down like you have before. Now you can set these back however you'd like. And now you bring the attention over to the 4 cards that were seemingly random, and you say, you know, I wouldn't want to play poker with you because these cards happen to be the 4 aces, or, you know, some line like that. That's just what I use, but there's the effect. That is obliging aces. This is the tutorial for my favorite self-working card trick. It works really well when people are talking about how good you must be at cards because you're a magician. I seriously don't know how to play poker, so that's my end of the deal. Yeah, I don't know how to end videos still. You know, like you should like the video. You could subscribe to be notified when I come up with a new video. But like the video, subscribe, and here's I guess shot. Okay, no. Are you gonna juggle again?
Yep, I sure am.
Okay, no, it's fine. I'll just thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. That's what I gotta say. I hope you make use of this magic trick. But have a fun time. Have a fun time. All right. All right. I'll see you later. Okay. I guess I figure out how to turn this off. Huh?